Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we will make very delicious mutton masala in handi or clay pot. I have frozen 1 pound mutton. You can use fresh mutton. What else we need to make it? Garlic 2 bulbs or 3 tablespoons grated. Onion 1 big size. Tomatoes 2 without seed. Ginger grated 1 teaspoon. Turmeric half teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Garam masala powder I am using 1/4 teaspoon. And oil 1/3 cup. Water 3 cups. So let's start making mutton masala in handi with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a handi add water and turn on the flame. Then add mutton, oil, onion, garlic, tomatoes, ginger. Also add salt, turmeric, red chili powder. Keep the flame high and let it boil. Meanwhile, I will show you a close look of handi. After 60 minutes, it starts boiling. Now keep the flame medium low and let it cook for more 50 minutes. It was cooking on medium low flame for 50 minutes. Let me check if meat is tender now. Alhamdulillah, it become very soft. Now keep the flame high and cook it for more 30 minutes and keep the lid on. After 30 minutes, it become thick and giving very tempting smell. MashaAllah. Now turn off the flame and add 4 green chilies in it. Some cilantro leaves. And garam masala powder. Keep the lid on for 30 seconds, then dish out it with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very delicious mutton masala in handi is ready. Enjoy it with roti, naan or boiled rice. And share recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.